On behalf of the promoters, management and associates of Sri City and the units that are located in Sri City, I have great pleasure in welcoming the Honorable Speaker of Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, Sri Nadella Manohar Garu, and also Honorable Minister for Social Welfare, Sri Pitani Satyanarayan Garu, our local MLA, Sri Hemalath Garu, and our other MLA, Sulurpet MLA, Sri Parsaratnam Garu, and our own Development Commissioner, Anil Bamba Garu, and several government officials, and of course all of you units who made this possible, the journey, and my colleagues, and other, I see some of the farmers also from the local villages, and also very warm welcome to all of you, and also the media, press, the electronic media. This is really a very proud moment for me to stand in front of you and address this gathering, because one, Nadella Manohar Garu was indirectly associated with our project for a very long time, almost for 3 years I could say, and we all went to promote Andhra Pradesh to in the United States to various industries. So I was part of that delegation that was headed by Sri Manohar Garu. At that time he was Deputy Speaker of the State Assembly. So he has seen, probably he was one of the first people to see our presentation, the so-called multimedia presentation in those days. In fact, I remember telling him that when we were playing the first time, even I didn't see the prototype or whatever what was done here, and we had to play it directly there. So sorry, thank you, sir. Now at least in those days it was a dream. Still I think only we had about few units here at that time, and now you can see what you have seen there as a presentation. 4 years ago, Sri City was a dream, and we embarked on that with a dream to convert one of the most backward regions of Andhra Pradesh into an industrial hub, where we can bring world-class industries into the Sri City. Today, I am very proud to announce that we have today more than 90 leading international and domestic companies in Sri City from 22 different countries, from across 6 continents, and represent diverse industries like automotive, locomotives, electronics, engineering, pharmaceuticals, warehousing, food processing, information technology, and FMCG sectors. Despite the recession in Europe and US, a lot of companies have decided to invest in Sri City, keeping the long-term goal in mind. And it would be pertinent to say that Sri City's success can be attributed to the power of its great location, that is what we call in Telugu Sthana Balam. As you all know, we are midst of 4 very ancient popular cities: Sri Harikota on the east, Sri Kalahasti on the north, Sri Pati Tirupati, Lord Balaji Venkateswara, that is on the west, and Sri Perambur on the south. So we feel that all these, the Sthana Balam, what we call, if you talk about pyramid effect and all, so we have that all these 4 cities are ancient cities, more than 3,000 year old history, and one is Lord Shiva or Lord Vishnu. The 2 are modern temples, that Sri Perambur and Sri Harikota. So we feel that we have all the energy from all these 4 cities to be successful here, and that is also the name Sri comes from that fact that prosperity, growth. So we are in a very rapidly growing from what we started as a special economic zone, then we added domestic tariff zone. Today we dub ourselves as the integrated business city. Not only it is industrial hub, but also we are getting a lot of educational institutions, and in future probably there will be housing, recreation facilities. So it is going to be a full-fledged city by itself. As you would see from the backdrop behind me, we have become home to world-renowned companies like Kobelco from Japan, Alstom from France, Lavazza and VRV from Italy, Danieli from Italy, Kellogg's, Colgate-Palmolive, Amphenol and CCI from USA, just to name a few. As on date, 40 companies are operational in Sri City, providing employment to over 10,000 people and with an investment of 2,500 crores. With 25 more companies under construction and 25 other companies at various stages of signing agreements to conceptual designing and implementation of their plans. The additional investment from these new companies will be about 1,500 crores and additional employment of 7,000 people. Just to compare, about a year back when we had Honorable CM Garu came here to inaugurate this facility and to first 20 industries. So at that time, we had about 20 companies operational with an employment of 5,000 people with an investment of 1,200 crores. So in almost in a year time, we have almost doubled everything. What was operational 20 has become now 40, 5,000 employment has become 10,000. This is despite some of the challenges we had in the state, like power problems and some of the, I know some of you keep on bringing the potential customers, the Telangana issue to, some of the political issues and all these things. Despite all these problems, we were able to achieve this, almost double the growth in 1 year. So thanks to, as I mentioned, the Sthanabalam and the government support and support from the customers like you, especially what all happening here is because of the good word that you are sharing with potential customers. I know a lot of you, when there is a potential customer, we bring to your unit, and you have always been supportive of Sri City. In our constant endeavor to ensure that the people of this region and surrounding areas of Nellore and Chittoor districts have access to schools of international standards, hospitals of world-class standards, we have now Sri City Chinmaya Mission School that is operational, and also the Lifeline Hospital run by Dr. Cherin is also operational. We hope that with the growth in Sri City will act as a catalyst in developing the Chennai, Tirupati, Nellore into a mega metropolis. That is one of our dream. Once we develop industry here, then the in between Krishnapatnam and the port, and that is happening in Nellore area. Tirupati has its own industries and industrial base and educational base. So we hope that this entire region will become one of the fast-growing regions. It can compete with areas like Noida, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune corridors. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, none of this would have been possible without the support, commitment, guidance from the state government and of course central government, and more importantly, with all the help that we have received from units that are located in Sri City as of today, and also the help we have got from all the farmers that have given the land, so that is one of the most peaceful industrial region in the country today. So though we are operational for last 4 years, there is no union activity at Sri City as of today, and I hope industries will maintain relations such a way that there is no need for an union to come up, and also the locals and those of us who have the long-term interest of this. The request for all the political leadership here is to ensure that this becomes a union free kind of environment, so that the foreign investment can thrive and they can bring more and more industries here. Thank you very much.